Hello, my name is Madison Baxter, and I'm the owner of a company called Wavelength Incorporated. Have you ever wanted to see the emission spectra of any light source? I know I have. Well, let me tell you something. My company has created a product called a spectroscope. A spectroscope is an optical device for producing and observing a spectrum of light or radiation from any light source. A spectroscope is simply a box with a slit at one end and a light separating source at the other. Here is the Wavelength Incorporated spectroscope. Let me show you how our product works. So I'm going to take my spectroscope and point it at the brightest part of my light source, making sure that the slit on the front of the spectroscope is pointed directly at it. When you look through here, you can view the spectrum of the spectroscope scale. A spectroscope allows you to look at a particular light source, and using an internal prism, light is opened up into many different spectrum, and a line spectrum is presented to you. That is what occurred when we pointed our spectroscope at our light source. Here's the emission spectrum of our kitchen light source. The colors and positions of our emission lines on the spectroscope shown are purple at 4.5, blue at 5.05, green at 5.65, orange at 6.1, and red at 6.45. Thank you. Using our spectroscope and our spectroscope position values, you're able to also further find the wavelength of the emission lines and also the energy levels that might be able to be achieved. Some tips for when using our product is to close one eye when looking through the spectroscope, as well as using your peripheral vision when using the spectroscope, instead of looking straight on, so you can better detect faint absorption lines. When using our spectroscope, take into account possible outside light sources that could skew your emission spectrum. While our spectroscope doesn't present any harmful possible safety concerns, if you are a user who's decided to expand your experiment into using extreme light sources or heat sources, make sure that you're wearing protective gear and goggles when handling that. Wavelength Incorporated spectroscopes come in many different colors. And right now they are 50% off. At a price of only $15.99, you too can own your own spectroscope. Call now at 1-800-SPECTRO. Buy our spectroscope and see the light for yourself now.